Top 3 video players for iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will discuss about the top 3 video players that you can use. First on the list, we have VLC Media Player. It is a free, open source and legendary for format compatibility. VLC supports virtually any video and audio format without needing conversion. It also integrates with cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud Drive, and local networking streams like SMV, FTP, and DLNA. So this is best for the users who want reliable, no cost, all around video playback tool with extensive format and network support. Moving on to the second one, we have Infuse Video Player. It is a beautifully designed player that supports a wide range of formats which includes 4K, SDR, True SD and DTS SD Master and streaming for Plex, MB, Jellyfin and cloud services. It includes handy features such as subtitle downloads, AirPlay and library syncing, making it stand out. It is best for those users who want elegance, top tier format support, and a rich interface for a premium viewing experience. Lastly, on the list, we have KM Player. So, KM Player is built for 4K and USD playback, making it perfect for high resolution videos without lag. You also get customizable video and subtitle settings, so you can tweak playback speed, colors, and subtitle appearance to your liking. It also lets you bookmark specific points in a video for quick access later. So it is best for the users who require feature rich free option. So these are the three video players that you can use. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.